Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to run Python in Visual Studio Code. It's a very simple process. In some few steps I'm going to show you. So first we need to go for our Google Chrome browser. You can choose any of your favorite browser. First we're going to download VS Code from the Google Chrome. Here we're going to search Visual Studio, then go for Visual Studio, and then we're going to download Visual Studio Code. So click on the Visual Studio Code and then going to download for Windows. Click on that. After a very short time, as you can see right now, there will be a download option. Click on the download. So after taking a little short of time, the download has been completed. And now if I just go for the file manager and going to install Visual Studio Code, click on the Visual Studio Code and going to click on I accept the agreement and then click next. Next another time. And then click on desktop icon and click on this three option and then click next and then click install. After, as you can see, the file is installing. It will take some seconds to complete. After that, the installation is completed. And now, as you can see, you rightly install Visual Studio Code in your computer. A very simple way. So now we're going to look for download the Python. So for that, we're going to create another new tab. And then here we're going to type Python. And then here we're going to get this website called www.python.org. So we're going to click on the welcome to python.org. And then here we're going to find the option called download. Click on that. And then here we're going to find the download version called 3.13.5. So click on download Python and then simply click on the download. So after taking a little short of time, the Python has been downloaded, and now we're going to install the Python in our computer. So for that, we're going to click on the Python 3.13.5 and then going to click on these two options. And then simply click on install now and the installation is begin. You can simply install it with the customization option, but I'm going to go for the regular one. As you can see, setup was successful, and now we're going to check out into our CMD prompt that Python is likely installed or not. So for that, we need to go for the search option and going to type here CMD and going to run as administrator. And here we can simply type Python space -- call version and click enter. So as you can see, the Python 3.13.5 is rightly installed. And now we're going to connect Python with the VS Code. So for that, we need to open the Visual Studio Code here. And from here, we're going to click on the file, click on the open folder option. And then here we can simply click on the download option, trigger a new file. Yeah, we created a new file over here and we're going to name it as Python. Click simply enter. I'm going to select the folder, and as you can see right now, the Python folder has been opened over here. So we're going to click on new file over here, and then we're going to name it as a demo.py. Then simply click enter. And as you can see right now, we created the demo.py file over here. So if you didn't download the Python in your Visual Studio Code, you can simply come over into the extension option, and here you can simply type here Python. You will get the Python extension over here. Don't worry, it's coming from the Microsoft.com. You can simply click on install and remember to check auto update. So it will automatically update your Python new version, not a big problem. After we're going to come over another time into the demo.py because the download has been completed. And now into the demo.py, we're going to code here by simply type here print. And then we're going to give the first bracket. And into the first bracket, we can simply give two semicolon. And here we can simply type here Python first program with some dot. And then that's it. Now it's going to run it into the terminal. So for that, we need to click on run in interactive window or run Python. So click on run Python. I'm going to click shift enter. And after, as you can see that the print has done and the Python first program has been running into our VS Code. So we completed this method with some simple first step. First, we downloaded the Visual Studio Code and then we looked for to install the Python. And the step 3, we connected with the Python into the VS Code and then we run first Python program into our VS Code. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you for another videos. Till then, goodbye.